right? So we implemented one of the use case for the Nokia. So where we came with the projector-based guidance system. So literally before going to the actual shop floor, so we want to speed up the overall training time by using the projector-based the guidance system. So the projector will be placed on the top with the camera and other sensors. So literally they'll be doing the actual, as per the training, they'll be doing the actual assembling process. And at the same time, the projector will throw the overall guidance instruction on the table. So that based on the overall instruction, they should follow the overall assembling the process. If something goes wrong, it will give the alert immediately.
Okay, so while doing it would actually tell you that this is what needs to be done, and
Absolutely.
the moment you make any error, it would just alert you.
Absolutely. So it's providing the complete data analytics so that where we can give the particular scope to the particular worker, and if overall the overall percentage is very less, we can ask them to repeat the process so that he will be more confident in doing the actual work in the shop floor. So literally we are automating the overall training process, right? You don't want any separate team to monitor them. You don't want any training team to come up with mass training. So since everything is automated, it's a one-time process. Once it is implemented, so they can repeat the process, so they can repeat the complete training until they are pretty much confident on doing the complete the assembling process.